Hello, welcome to Easy Tricks for Study. So in this video, we are going to learn name of 32 symbols for English and Maths. So let's start. Before that, let's look on the most confusing concept of English grammar. It's and it is. It's possessive form. It's without an apostrophe is the possessive form. We use it like this. The cat licked its tail. The phone fits into its docking station like this. The tail belongs to the cat. The docking station belongs. That's why we call it possessive. It is. It's, it is. Occasionally, we use it as short for it has. Example, it's raining. It is raining. It's nice to see you. It is nice to see you. Now let's learn the symbols. Name of symbols. Full stop. Apostrophe, semicolon, comma, dash, colon, asterisk, exclamation mark, slash, parenthesis, @ sign, ampersand, quotation mark, curly brackets, question mark, brackets, plus, minus, times or multiplication sign, divide by or division sign, equals to, is not equals to, less than, more than, percent, circle, triangle, square, line, infinity, pi, theta. Thank you. For more educational videos, subscribe the channel.